Hi, I am out here in the Fields community by Century Homes. They are building a brand new community out here with these homes ranging anywhere. I think the lowest floor plan is about 1,800 square feet up to 2,500 square feet, and they've got several floor plans to choose from. So I've got a client building up here, and we are just doing a quick walkthrough to see the progress. It's scheduled to be finished in the middle of April, and from what I can see, it seems like it's going to be on track. But just wanted to take you on a quick tour so you can see what I'm seeing and we can talk about the process. So this is the exterior of the home, and you can see that they've got all of the wood accent pieces done so that they can prep for stucco and paint on the outside. As we go through here. Now, what a lot of builders are starting to do right now is they have pre-spec'd what home is going to go on what lot with what interior features. So right as we walk in, we have the stairs, we have the hallway into the rest of the house, and then off to the right is an office or a formal living bonus room type of space, looking out onto the front porch. So what a lot of builders are doing right now is they're pre-speccing the lots and all of the finishes. So we were lucky enough to be able to get this one. And it's got a lot of really nice upgrades and finishes on it, which was really exciting. One of those upgrades and finishes is this, what they call a sunroom. Now, in the model home, this sunroom right here has the dining area in it. It's got the dining table and chairs, which then leaves this open area really nice and spacious. And so this is the living room over here. You've got the garage entrance over here, and then that's a coat closet at the other door. This, without the sunroom, would be your dining area, so it would flow from the kitchen to the dining to the living room. But because you have that sunroom area, you could choose to put your table and chairs over here and set that up with a nice cozy space. I could really see that being a nice bonus room, play area, sitting area, with all of this natural light and these awesome windows as well. So with a sunroom, you get this big, huge, open sliding glass door that opens up into the backyard space. And the backyard, it's not huge, but it's a good amount of space. So all of this will eventually be grassed in. Nice little patio here. In the kitchen, my little helper today, say hi, Grace. In the kitchen here, there's a nice island in the middle with your sink and dishwasher. This is going to be double ovens with a built-in cooktop, gas range. That's where your refrigerator goes. And this one, the microwave will be above the range, and then you've got your pantry over there in the middle. So like I said, really great open floor plan. I would say this is probably more of your starter community or your downsizing community. This particular floor plan does have 3 bedrooms with a loft space. So let's go ahead and head upstairs. So once cabinetry gets in, things really start to feel like they're moving along quickly. And that's the point that we're at. This is the loft space here. So just nice and open at the top of the stairs. There is a closet off of this room, so that would be a great storage space for games, for blankets, for any of your extras that you need. The laundry room is also upstairs where all the bedrooms are. That's a really fantastic feature. So you don't have to run up and down the stairs. You can hear that I'm tired from walking and talking at the same time. Laundry room here. And then this is the master bedroom. So another thing that I love that they've started doing is putting these taller windows in so that you still get really nice natural light, but you don't use up all of this wall space. And now this creates options for places for you to put your bed. You don't just have to do it on one wall only. You can choose if you want this wall or this wall over here, and still get that really nice natural light. There is. There's nails. And then in here, we've got the nice double sink, white cabinets with door pulls. The shower, that is, yep. So just stand up shower here. Nice little linen closet. And then a gigantic walk-in closet. Now there's not any lights yet. It looks like they did get some of the fixtures in. That's exciting. So now that cabinets are in, now they can start doing all of the extras. It looks like they did cabinets and door pulls at the same time. They'll come in and get countertops installed. They've already started on baseboards and trim work. So we've got all of our baseboards, doors, door trims. The painting is done. Yeah, I'm happy to see that the doors are hung as well. This room right here is a little bit smaller room. It would be great for another office space or just a single little bed with a nice walk-in closet. Check out those views though. This will always be because you can see out here the construction. There's several more phases that are going in. Century Communities is a great builder. They are being smart like all the other builders are about not bringing on inventory too quickly, but because it's already spec'd out and they're submitting permits to get the specs and stuff, you can expect that when you go under contract, you're gonna be able to close in about 4 months. So that is the other bedroom, and then this is the second bath. So this one also is gonna have double sinks in here, and then it's got the tub shower combo right there, and the toilet spot with nice little linen shelves. It won't have 3 sinks. She's saying it's gonna have 3 sinks. Okay, so as always, my typical spiel, if you're thinking of building, you definitely wanna have your own agent. I've been helping clients. New construction was actually the very first deal I ever did in my real estate career. That's kind of exciting. So it does intimidate a lot of people, but there's just a lot more details to pay attention to in new construction. But having your own agent means you have your own representation and you have somebody in your corner that has your back and will help you and guide you through the entire process. So if you have any questions, if issues come up, even through closing, I just helped a client with a warranty issue that really wasn't going anywhere, and it had been like 2 months after closing before I found out about it. I felt so bad because had I known about it sooner, we could have gotten the problem solved a lot faster. So anyway, if you're thinking of building, I would love to chat with you. I can help steer you in the right direction of builders, the quality of work they do, the locations they have, the inventory they have. Everything is still really competitive, but with new construction, it's been a good avenue for people to be able to get into, to be able to plan for, especially if you have a home to sell, then it gives you kind of a little bit of a buffer window to be able to sell your home as well. So hope you guys are doing great, and we will talk to you soon.